Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get glow brick and jelly stud in fish. These two unique fish, the glow brick and the jelly stud, are special catches from a past in-game event. The glow brick is described as a massive fish glowing with dark Lego bricks, while the jelly stud resembles a translucent jellyfish with glowing Lego studs. It's important to understand their origin to know their current availability. During the special Lego event, players had the opportunity to catch these unique fish. To participate, one needed to acquire the brick-built rod, which was essential for reeling in these blocky creatures. The event featured special Lego pools where these fish would appear, offering a unique fishing experience for a short period. When the event was active, catching glow brick and jelly stud involved using stud bait, which was highly recommended for better chances. These fish were not particular about weather or time, appearing throughout the day. They were considered limited rarity, making them sought-after catches for collectors and enthusiasts during the event's duration. Unfortunately, glow brick and jelly stud are no longer directly obtainable by fishing in the game. They were exclusive to a limited-time event, meaning new players cannot catch them. The sole method to acquire these rare fish today is through trading with other players who managed to catch them during the event. Their scarcity makes them quite valuable in the player economy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.